Good day. Find your Ka and Kb calculation sheet of notes. It's going to take us a few videos to fill in all the information. From some earlier notes, we showed you how to convert between any of these four items. So how to go from H3O plus to pH and back, OH minus to POH and back, and across as well. In this case, using the fact these things multiply together to be 1 times 10 to the minus 14, and also pH plus POH equals 14. So those conversions you better be getting a handle on. And they're all based on this thing called KW. Now we're going to get into the Ka table. If you have one of the 6 acids at the top, they are a strong acid. The reaction goes to completion, and so we symbolize it with an arrow. And that means it's going completely to the right. So HCl plus H2O, the proton completely donated, forming hydronium and Cl minus, and we like to include states. On the other hand, weak acids, and you can do the proper double arrows, one on top, one below, but I find on the computer it's easiest for me. So HF and H2O, proton transferred, we get H3O plus and F minus. H2S, we transfer 1 proton, we get H3O plus and HS minus. So there we are, we're looking at weak acids in equilibrium. Well, let's write out a Ka expression. We can ignore the water, which is liquid, so we're looking at this H2S. Here are our products, their concentration multiplied together on the top, and the H2S concentration on the bottom. That's all review from way back in the wacky world of the math of equilibrium. Well, let's look at the calculation of pH for a strong acid. So we know the reaction is going to go to completion. So it means all of these moles of HCl are going to convert over to the products here. And that means we're going to get 0.100 molar H3O plus and the same for the chloride minus. Here's the H3O plus we care about, because we know if we have H3O plus, we can get pH. So there's our H3O plus, we minus log it, and we get 1.000. This had 3 sig figs, and the numbers to the right decimal point are significant digits. So that's round 1 as we plow through these notes.